session because you do have the major averages that made a striking turnaround after that initial global sell-off. That is something that we saw coming in because at its session low on Monday, you did have the 30 stock Dow that fell more than 600 points or nearly 1.5%. That was after Trump had signed an order over the weekend coming in to impose 25% tariffs coming in on Mexico and Canada, plus a 10% levy coming in on China as well. Now, investor sentiment, of course, turned around on Monday afternoon then. That is when Trump said that his duty on Mexican goods would be paused for 1 month, like Priyanka mentioned earlier as well. And the major averages, of course, ended Monday well off their lows coming in, but they still booked losses. So when I take a look at the 30 stock Dow, that's the one that slipped just about 0.3% thereabout. S&P 500 then fell 0.8% as well, and the Nasdaq Composite is the one that dropped 1.2%. So definitely a volatile trading session coming in on the back of that flip-flop coming in as far as the entire tariff trade war is concerned. Of course, you did have fears coming in of retaliation from all of these countries after their trillions of dollars of trade. They've also talked about how they're going to be retaliating, and Trump has taken possibly cues from that and come back with this rhetoric where he's saying that he's going to be pausing duty on Mexican goods for 1 month. That is the update coming in. That was something that we had been very closely tracking, at least when it comes to the US markets as well. And when you take a look at what else is there to track, you of course have a huge earning week that awaits investors. So I'm talking about Alphabet, PepsiCo that are on the docket, and you do also have Amazon and Eli Lilly. Those are among the names that are going to be reporting later this week, so keep an eye on those earnings as well. But yes, lots of cues to track, and there's also on the economic front the job openings and the labor turnover survey coming in for December. Definitely something that we're going to be watching out for. But volatile day coming in for crude as well.
Absolutely, for crude as well. And look at the move, the kind of move Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, they reversed their losses. But let's first understand, how did oil prices react? Oil prices edged up. It was, of course, a volatile session on Monday for oil prices also. And now they have managed to close at a 1 month low. And this was majorly on the expiration of a higher price contract. Now, Brent crude futures for April, for the delivery, that one rose by 29 cents, nearly 0.4%. And this is from where that contract closed on Friday to settle at $75.96 per barrel. If you talk about US West Texas Intermediate crude futures, they were also flaring high by 63%, nearly 0.9%, settled at $73.16 per barrel. And this was the lowest close since January 2. But you talk about gold, that one hit record high yesterday. Of course, that had spurred the safe haven demand. You talk about Bitcoin, that one reversed the earlier losses. Now they have Bitcoin has stopped $101,000 after US delays the tariffs on Mexico and Canada.
Well, absolutely. That's something that we're looking at, and that's very important to track. But let's also